If you go for purchasing anything in shop, so the shopkeeper asks the customer about the items or goods want to purchase. The customer inquires about the rates of various goods he wants to purchase. Customer places the order, then shopkeeper note down on a slip. Okay, so if you place the order, then shopkeeper notes down on a slip. एक स्लिप पर वो आपकी जो भी रिक्वायरमेंट होगी उसको नोट डाउन करेगा इन अ नोटबुक. द शॉपकीपर कैलकुलेट्स द प्राइस ऑफ ईच आइटम एंड find the total price of all the goods. Then after calculating price of each item, find out total price of all the goods and items purchased by the customer. So the shopkeeper gives that slip to the customer. The customer checks different entries and verifies the correctness of all. इसके बाद क्या करते हैं, कस्टमर चेक करेगा कि सभी डिफरेंट एंट्रीज वगैरह क्या है वो सही है कि नहीं है, करेक्ट होनी चाहिए. देन ऑल एंट्रीज included in the slip. Customer makes the payment. Then after correct, if it's correct, then makes the payment. Okay, satisfy होने के बाद वो payment करता है. Then after here, just see, a shopkeeper does not want to make a mistake in calculation. तो वहाँ पे जो शॉपकीपर है वो नहीं चाहता कि कोई कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक हो. इफ ही चार्जेस मोर, ही इज लाइबल टू लूज अ कस्टमर. अगर वो चार्ज करता है ज़्यादा किसी भी आइटम पर, तो वो कस्टमर को क्या एक तरह से खो दे. कस्टमर कहेगा कि भाई हम तो नहीं ले पाएंगे, हम जा रहे हैं. इफ ही चार्जेस लेस, ही लूजेस मनी. और अगर वो चार्ज कम करता है तो वो मनी लूज करता है. टू कीप ट्रैक ऑफ द डे सेल्स यूजेस अ सेल्स बुक. तो इस डे टू डे सेल्स को ट्रैक करने के लिए वो एक सेल बुक यूज करता है, जिसे बिल बुक कहते हैं. ईच पेज ऑफ दिस बुक इज कॉल्ड सेल्स स्लिप और बिल. तो जो हर एक पेज होगा उस बुक का वो क्या कहलाएगा, सेल्स स्लिप या फिर बिल भी बोलेंगे. एक परचेज द शॉपकीपर इश्यूज अस अ बिल. तो हमें वो इशू करेगा वो बिल. एंड दिस बिल शोज व्हाट, बिल शोज, note down, name and address of the shop, name of the customer, address and phone number of the customer, date on which the purchase is made, brief description of the item. So here name and address of the shop, it means of the shopkeeper, name of the customer, then after address and phone number of the customer, date on which the purchase is made, brief description of the item purchased. Then after sales book, what? A shopkeeper maintains the track of the day-to-day sell in sales book called sales slip. Each page of sales book is called sales slip or a bill. Okay, another point which included in the bill, that is quantity and rate of item per unit. तो description में हम वहाँ पे quantity and rate भी include रहेगा कि जो भी item ले रहे हैं उसकी कितनी quantity है and उसकी rate क्या है. The total money demanded for the item. Then after total money demand for the item, and last of all, signature of the shopkeeper. Okay, so here is the format of bill given with the example here. Item quantity given, then after here the making a bill with noted here. Just see here the shopkeeper address and name, then after date, okay, invoice, bill number, customer ID, here customer name to, तो जिसे दिया जा रहा है वो कस्टमर हुआ ना, तो मिस्टर ABC, प्लेस वेयर लीव, करोल बाग, दिल्ली, एड्रेस. ओके, देन आफ्टर एट लास्ट सिग्नेचर ऑफ शॉपकीपर. ना लेट्स स्टार्ट. के ये आपको नोटबुक में नोट करना है. काइंड्स ऑफ बिल्स, एंड दीज आर विच द बिल शोज पॉइंट 1 to 8. Okay, okay, first the definition of sales book and bill, then after the bill shows what, then after kinds of bill. Okay, then after you do exercise 7B. Electricity, water, telephone bills, shopping bills, bills for services performed for a particular job, school fee bill, etc. These type of bill. Kinds: electricity, water, telephone bill, shopping bill, bills for services performed by a particular job, school fee bill, etc. See exercise 7B. Make bills for all purchases. Ram Lal Stationer. Here Rajendra Nagar, Delhi Foods. What is it? It is the address of seller. Okay, here the shop name and address. Your phone number, bill number and date given. Then after name and address of the customer. Okay, You can change if you want to change the name and address. This is the imaginary address which I make here. Okay, now question is Akash went to a, यहाँ पे हमारा जो आकाश है, क्योंकि आकाश यहाँ पे गिवन है, कस्टमर आकाश वेंट टू अ स्टेशनरी शॉप, सो मैंने यहाँ पे आकाश, यहाँ पे हमारा नेसेसरी हो जाएगा कि कस्टमर का नेम हमें आकाश ही रखना है. ओके, वेंट टू अ स्टेशनरी शॉप एंड बॉट 6 पेन्स. तो 6 पेन्स बॉट कर रहा है, क्वांटिटी ऑफ पेन 6 फॉर 15 रुपीज 50 पैसे ईच. सो रेट एट द रेट ईच, मतलब 1 पेन का प्राइस क्या है, 15 रुपीज 50 पैसे. एंड 3 इरेजर and each eraser rupees 3 and 50 paise. 4 notebooks 12 rupees and 50 paise. Then after, here the amount. Okay, multiply 6 into 15.50 and you get 93 total amount of 6 pens. Okay, then after, total amount of 3 eraser 10 rupee 50 paise. Total amount of 4 notebooks 50 rupees. Okay, so total of these amount 93 plus 10 rupees 50 paise plus 50 rupees 153.50, it means 153 rupees 50 paise. Then after, here the signature of shopkeeper made. Now here make seller name and address. Then after, because a question, Mr. Gupta went to a provision store to buy some household items. She placed an order for 4 kg rice at a 27 rupees 50 kg. So because here written Mr. Gupta, I think it's Mrs. Gupta or is he placed. Okay, here the error in the question, make here he placed. Okay, don't make she placed. Okay, because here Mr. Gupta. So Mr. Gupta went to a provision store to buy some household item. So Mr. Gupta is a customer now, make here write Mr. Gupta. Okay, then after, any address such as Prayagraj, okay, UP address, and you can make seller name, address, anything you want. ABC seller. Okay, then after, anything make here, suppose Prayagraj Chandni Chowk. Okay, Chandni Chowk Prayagraj. Okay, this is here item names. Suppose Mr. Gupta went to a provision store to buy some household. Here 4 kg rice, first quantity 4 kg rice. So first write rice 4 kg, because here quantity in kgs. 4 kg rice 27 rupees 50 paise. 27 rupees 50 paise a kg. 1 kg price 27 rupees 50 paise. Now multiply and write here. Then after, 3 liter of oil. So oil here 3 liter or 3 kg. Okay, so it's kg in 3 liter. Okay, here rupees 57. Okay, then make here tea. It's left, so I write in the third point. Okay, it's not change in the value. Now 1 packet now, so 1 packet tea 47 rupees 50 paise. Then after, at last, here sugar 4 kg, and here at 17 rupees 50 paise a kg. 17 rupees 50 paise. Okay, now multiply these all. Then after, I multiply here 27 rupees 50 paise into 4, 110. Then after, 3 into 57, 171. 1 into 47.50, 47 rupees 50 paise. Then after, it's 70. Okay, and at last, total of this amount 398 rupees 50 paise. And then after, signature of shopkeeper. Now make the third bill as it is. My sister and my father went for shopping. My sister bought some toys. Okay, so here neither any name given of seller or customer, so make both address imaginary. Okay, here write description ludos. So here ludos, 3 ludos, skipping ropes, skipping करते हैं ना, so skipping ropes 2, one building block. So here one building block. These all are games, na? Building block. Then after it's a one quantity, and here at last toy planes. Toy planes. Number of toy planes 3. Okay. Now cost of one Ludo, because here all have the cost of one. The cost of one Ludo was 22 rupees 50 paise. Skipping rope rupees 25. 25 here, and the building block rupees 75, and toy plane for rupees 50. Now multiply these all. If you multiply here, 3 5 ja 15. Okay, 3 2 ja 3 5 ja 15, 3 2 ja 6 plus 1 7, 3 2 ja 6, 67.50. Then after 25 2 ja 50, 75 1 ja 75, 53 ja 150. Now add these all and you get as 0.5050 paise, and here 7 5 12. Then after here 7 5 12. Then after 5 plus 6 11, 11 plus 1 12, 12 plus 7, 12 plus 7 19, 19 plus 5 24. Okay, 2 plus 1 3, 342 and 50 paise. On 15 June, Ramesh Cloth House, Delhi sold the following items. Mr. Chandra of Rajendra Nagar. So here already given all dates and address. So if here mention already all description as name, address and date or bill's number, so write as it is given in your question. Okay, if you not given, not mentioned in your question, so make imaginary address. Okay, so on 15 June 2014, so date mentioned here 15 June 60 2014. Okay, seller name and address here given, Ramesh Cloth House, Ramesh Cloth House, and it's in Delhi. Then after here Mr. Chandra of Rajendra Nagar. So Mr. Chandra is the customer. Mr. Chandra, Rajendra Nagar, Delhi. Rajendra Nagar, Delhi. Okay. Okay. Here bill mention anything we want, 137. Okay, bill number it's. Then after here item mention, just make the column and rows also here. Items here two silk sarees at the rate of 1150. So silk sarees, what you write here? Silk saree. Okay, silk sarees quantity 2. Then after here each 1150. Then multiply, you get here 2 into 1150, get 2300. Then after another item, suits. How many suits? 2. Each 550. Multiply and you get 5 2 ja 10, 5 2 ja 10 plus 1 11. Okay, then after next night suits, night suits 3 night suits, here 350 each. Multiply and you get 5 3 ja 15, 3 3 ja 9 plus 1 10, 1050. Then after 2 woolen shawls, so here write woolen shawls. How many? 2 woolen shawls, so 1720. Multiply and you get 2 2 ja 4, 7 2 ja 14, 2 1 ja 2 plus 1 3. Now add it, this all amount 0, 5 plus 4 9 on tens place. Then after 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 4, here 8. Okay, then after here 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4 plus 3 7. Okay, 7,890 rupees. Now then after owner's signature here. Then after at last Mr. Chandra had rupees 10,000. Okay, then after, how much money is left now? So here total he spent 7,890 rupees. Money left. So money left here. Subtract this. Okay, 0 minus 0, 10 minus 9, 1, 9 minus 8, 1, 9 minus 7, 2. 2,110 rupees left. Okay, now the worksheet solution I already given you as a PDF, so just see that in the PDF and try. Okay, and if you have any confusion, then comment in comment box for the solution of worksheet question. Okay.